Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.2 of class 9th mathematics. Before going to start that exercise, we should know about the parallel lines and transversal. We know that what is meant by parallel lines. Two lines are never intersect at a distinct point. Then I can tell that this is what parallel lines. They never intersect. The distance between the two lines are always equal. Then I can tell that these two lines are what? Parallel lines. What is transversal? Transversal is a line which intersect two or more lines at a distinct point. Then I can tell that the particular line is what? Transversal. Look here. This is line L. This is line M. These two lines are intersect with the transversal N. Okay. So here what is the transversal? N. N is a line which intersect the lines L and M at a distinct point. Okay. This is line L. This is line M. Intersect with the transversal N. Then these two lines are forms total 8 angles. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, this is what? Angle 8. When these two lines are parallel, line L is parallel to line M, N is transversal, then alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal, like corresponding angles are equal. Then sum of co-interior angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree. So how? Look here. Line L is parallel to M and it is intersect with the transversal N. Then corresponding angles are equal. You have to know these rules. Okay. When these two lines are parallel, intersect with the transversal, corresponding angles are equal. Are equal. What are the corresponding angles? Look here in this figure. Angle 1 which is equal to what? Angle 5. See, upper side angles. Angle 1 which is equal to what? Angle 5. The same way this side. Angle 2 which is equal to what? Angle 6. Then downside angles. Angle 4 which is equal to what? Angle 8. Angle 4 which is equal to angle 8. The same way this side, angle 3 which is equal to what? Angle 7. This is what? Corresponding angles. When the two lines are parallel, intersect with the transversal, then corresponding angles are equal. That is your first point. Then alternate interior angles are equal. Angles are equal. See, what is alternate interior angles? See, angle 4 which is equal to what? Angle 6. See, angle 4 is left hand side, angle 6 is what? Right hand side. See, alternate interior angles. These are what? Interior angles. Angle 4, 3, 6 and 5 are interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal means angle 4 which is equal to angle 6. The same way this side, angle 3 which is equal to what? Angle 5. These are alternate interior angles are equal. Then the third point, that is alternate exterior angles are equal. These are what? Interior angles. Now I am going to tell that alternate exterior angles are equal. Angles are equal. What are the exterior angles? Tell me. This is angle 1 which is equal to what? Angle 7. See, alternate. One angle is left hand side, another angle is right hand side. Alternate exterior angles. These are what? Exterior angles. Okay. angle 1 equal to angle 7. The same way, angle 2 which is equal to what? Angle 8. These are alternate in exterior angles. Then the fourth point. What is the fourth point? Sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal is 180. Look here. I am taking left hand side. Sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal. I am taking the left hand side. What are the sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal? Angle 4 plus angle 5, which is equal to what? 180 degree. See? Sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal. Side of transversal is 180 degree. If sum of two interior angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree, then I can tell that these two lines are what? Parallel. Okay. So I can write it here, angle 4 plus angle 5, which is equal to 180 degree. The same way, right hand side, angle 3 plus angle 6, which is equal to 180. Why I have written these 4 points for parallel lines? If in the question they are asking, prove that these two lines are parallel. So what I have to prove? In these 4 points, any one condition you can prove it. Then I can tell these two lines are parallel. Okay, understand? Thank you.